I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying high-value neighborhoods and customer profiles. Homeowners with south-facing roofs, income above $75,000, and recent roof age under 15 years. Once you have lists, buy or assemble targeted lead lists and set up a simple landing page with clear offer, savings calculator, and a contact form. Make sure to configure Google Analytics and phone tracking so you can measure which channels deliver leads. Then run a small, segmented ad test, $200 across 2 audiences, to capture initial data quickly now. Next, optimize your funnel. Refine ad creatives, test headlines and images, and run a /B landing page variants to improve conversion. Use email drips and SMS follow-up to nurture warm prospects. Send a savings estimate within 24 hours, then 2 value emails over 1 week. Once done, implement appointment reminders and confirmation calls, and train converters on objection scripts. Make sure to track lead-to-sale conversion rates, CAC, and lifetime value so you can scale profitable channels and pause underperforming experiments immediately thereafter. Finally, close the loop. Qualify leads quickly, run on-site or virtual assessments, and present a clear, itemized proposal with financing options and ROI timeline. Once contracts are signed, coordinate permits, scheduling, and installation handoffs. Keep customers informed with milestone texts and a final walkthrough. If sales stall, audit your highest volume channel first. Check tracking, creative fatigue, and ad targeting, then reallocate budget. One key troubleshooting tip. If conversion drops, pause the ad set, refresh creative, and retest within 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.